Honestly speaking, when I was younger, I never dreamed of going to the US or to other country. I just want to teach. All my dream is just to be a teacher. But when pandemic came, when teachers were not able to see their pupils physically, I get so depressed. I want to see my learners. And I have heard that some children in the US are still having their face-to-face classes. And that's what I really wanted too. Oh,
Mm.
that's the start of my dream to be. I want to go to the US wherein children are still going to school. So when some ad in the Facebook about visa to America, I accidentally, maybe it's a blessing, I accidentally clicked and signed up with their link. Then after a few days, there's here Ma'am Angie calling me asking for my resume to be submitted to them. Then I asked her, "How did you get my number?" I thought that was just scam. How did you get my number? And then she politely answered, "You clicked on and signed up in our page or in our Facebook invitation." So I said, "Oh, I'm sorry." So I gave them or I submitted my document like my resume, the part of my passbook, and my FCE. So that's what.
Wow.
So
Wow.
that's the beginning of the conversation, and then I came across talking with Mom Rose, Miss Melvin,
Wait
Miss
a minute, before,
Jessica, Miss
before you go to
Anna.
that, before you go to that, so you ran across Visa to America almost by accident.
Yes, I believe
Make,
it was.
make
I thought it
that
was just an accident, but it's a blessing.
yes,